Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I keep seeing the leaders doing, let's be talking planes and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chris. This is Krissnaildit. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey. If you're new, hey boo, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, please, and a thank you. All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel for another nail tutorial. Thank you for tuning in. Today's nail vid, we are doing these extra long nails, y'all. Extra long nails. I haven't did one of these sets in like a very long time. So when my client came in and asked me would I do this, I was like, I mean, yeah, who's scared of a challenge? You know what I mean? So I did it. I mean, clearly because I posted this video. But you know what I'm saying? As far as doing the set, y'all, it was a little hard. It's not as discouraging as it may seem, but it's like, damn, she want these long nails. I gotta do these extra long nails. But, you know what I'm saying? I got the job done, and I feel like it was pretty cool. I enjoy shaping them. You know, I always, like I said, I love a challenge, and I enjoy shaping. So, I was like, okay, let's see if I can shape these extra long nails. You know what I'm saying? I kind of want to do a lot more nails like this. Honestly, I couldn't work with them. I couldn't, you know, maneuver throughout the day with them. But you know what I'm saying? Somebody else can. So I was like, I want to do more sets like these because it was actually pretty cool. Let me know how y'all feel about doing these extra long nail sets, because y'all, these ain't no joke, man. You gotta really like sit and like pay attention to like the thickness, and you know, because these extra long nails, they do break. They break very easily. That's why you have to think about like where you're placing your acrylic, how much you're placing it. Like, you don't have to have your nails extra thick for them to last, but there are like where the apex is, or you know, where you start your cuticle, those are like your strongest areas of your nail. So like you should put your thickest acrylic like in that area and the free edge on up some. And you know what I'm saying? I don't know. Let me know. I'm not into the extra thin nail sets because I feel like those break too easy. Like I feel like, you know, once y'all see these, like I feel like this is the proper amount, because you know, once you lay on your gel polish, that's like what, four extra layers of thickness, in my opinion. You know what I'm saying? So hey, I mean, it's to each his own, but let me know in the comments how y'all feel about it. For me, I put on just enough acrylic just so it can even out, and so your nail will be like at a nice thickness. It won't be too thick, but well, it won't be thick, but it'll be thick enough for your nails to last. Boom, that's all I can say. Oh, and the acrylic that I'm using Young Nails clear, core clear acrylic, and I'm also using Extreme's monomer liquid. No, I do not use Young Nails liquid. I do use it sometimes, but you know, you don't really have to. Their product works so well with other liquids. I don't really think to, and because sometimes I just feel like for their size they're a little bit overpriced. But that's just my opinion, to each his own. But let me know what y'all use. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all get back into these nails. I'm gonna let y'all vibe out and just let me know what y'all think of this set. Let me know what you feel I could have improved on, what you would have did differently, if you like my technique. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. All right, bye.